A chondrite is a sort of meteorite that we have received, and they're basically parts of larger asteroids. Chondrites compose of small particles called chondrules, which are basically the first solids that ever condensed in the solar system, dating back as early as the first few million years of the solar system. And so some of these asteroids, they grow bigger and eventually end up as planets. Some of those do not. They do not undergo any kind of processing, any changes, and ordinary chondrites are one such examples of the bodies that never really went any processing. The funny thing about ordinary chondrites are that they're not really ordinary at all. They are literally the snapshot of the very first few stages of the solar system. They track all the processes that were going on from at a time that we have no idea about, and those are the only probes that we can use to have the bare minimum guess of what the early solar system could have looked like. So one of the biggest reasons why we care about them is they are the most abundant form of meteoroids that we have, and they also formed very, very early on. They formed from 2 to 3 million years, which is basically not even a small fraction of the whole life of the solar system. So it helps us trace the very early stages of the solar system.